The boy was at the beach, and then he ran up to a tree and he found 3 cats without a collar. He went to his grandma's to ask about it, and then his grandma wasn't there. So he called his grandma again. Still wasn't there. Then he later found out that she was at the ball. He tried to go in through the back, but then he saw that one of her dogs was guarding the back door with a sign. Then he found his grandpa, and asked if she could call Grandma from the ball so she could pick up the cats and give it and find the right people.